The Wall Street Journal has claimed that it has reviewed emails allegedly showing attempts by a close ally of US President Donald Trump to negotiate a deal with businessman Jho Low to have the US investigations into 1MDB dropped. According to the Daily last night, venture capitalist and longtime Republican donor Elliott Broidy and his wife, in a draft proposal, asked a $75 million fee if the US Justice Department quickly drops its investigation. According to the Wall Street Journal, the details of the purported effort to influence the Justice Department investigation were included in emails from Mr. Broidy's and his wife's email accounts that were provided to the US Daily. According to the Wall Street Journal, the emails dated the past year involved discussions to set up a consulting contract with Jho Low. They include draft agreements between a California law firm linked to Elliott Broidy's wife and Low's representatives on possible terms of their business engagement. Also among the emails were allegedly talking points Broidy drafted for Najib's meeting with Trump last year, which included mention of the US legal pursuit of the 1MDB matter. The Wall Street Journal wrote that it isn't clear what, if anything, came of the talking points. The US Daily said Najib's spokesperson didn't respond to a request for comment on the purported talking points or his visit to Washington. It added Low didn't respond to a request for comment, and other individuals linked to the discussions have also declined to comment. The Justice Department also declined to comment on the matter. Malaysiakini cannot independently verify the report and has contacted the Prime Minister's office for response.